Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you with a little update to a lesson I did quite a while ago now on a song called Wildfire by a gentleman called Michael Martin Murphy. I've been asked about the intro. I played the chords for the intro, which is like that sort of thing, but there's a little very high pitched guitar overlay on it, okay, which I omitted to actually tell anybody about because I didn't actually do it, okay, on my demo. So just to put that right, I've been asked if I could explain exactly what's going on there. So this is it, okay. Obviously it's played on an electric guitar. It's like it's something like this. Done a couple of times, okay, and it's over these chords, the E major 7th to A. So it's okay. So what it is, if I'm playing it down here, obviously on this guitar, if I had a cutaway, you need to really play it right up here. But what it is, I'm playing the 7th fret top E string to the 4th fret top E string twice, so 7 to 4, 7 to 4. And the first one is to the 5th fret of the 2nd string. The second time it's the same thing, but you go down to the 4th fret on the 2nd string. And then the third time it's back to the first time again. It goes up to the 5th fret. So it goes. And it's over these 3 chords. So if you listen to the original song you'll hear it, okay. But ideally, if you've got a cutout, you need to play it right up here on the 19th fret to the 16th fret, okay, to the 17th fret on the 2nd string, and the second one goes down to 16th fret on the 2nd string, and then back to the first one again to get the right sort of tone that they're using on the record. It's that. Okay, but obviously that's quite uncomfortable for me. If you had a cutout, a lot easier, or an electric. Okay, well that's it. That's my update on the little fill-in on the intro to Wildfire on top of the 3 chords. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.